What's up everyone? Welcome back to the greatest YouTube channel in the world for Uber and Lyft drivers. If you drive for Uber and Lyft and you're not watching the Rideshare Hub, you are missing out. Yeah, this video is actually gonna be more of a funny one. I actually thought this was a complete joke, but I just looked up and yeah, apparently Uber just launched a quiet mode, which is super funny, but actually pretty interesting. So in today's video, I'm gonna go over that. I'm gonna share my thoughts and I'm gonna go over exactly what that is because this is news, but it's also pretty funny. So I know Uber, and actually I know people have been talking about that for a while. Like it would be funny if passengers can actually choose to turn their drivers off or quiet, and now they are. So yeah, but really quickly, I wanted to let you know we do have some fire merch. Yeah, if you guys don't know, the Rideshare Hub, we have merchandise now for you guys, for the viewers to watch. And this shirt, guys, this shirt's like $14. It's pretty, you know, this stuff is pretty inexpensive. But yeah, I just put it on sale, so the sale won't last forever. Here are some of the other ones. I brought out the other designs that we do have just to show you guys really quickly. You know, wanted to spread them out on my bed so you guys can see them all nice. I really like this one a lot. But I do have to, that one's also really sick. Yeah, I know you can't drive Uber in a car like that, only has 2 doors, but you know, you guys get the point. This one's nice too, like it has these little like cool designs. Obviously it ripped off the Friends logo. My personal favorite one is this one. I don't know why, it's just super simple. It's like the college one, maybe because I am in college. And it's just, I don't know, super fun. But yeah, so go ahead and check out the merch, guys, if you want. Like I said, everything is on sale. Just put it all on sale right now. Sale will not last too long, just because I wanted to give you guys an opportunity now that the merch store is all up and running to get some clothes while on sale. Like I said, you know, I'm not making hardly any money off the merch sales. I'm just putting it as low as it really costs, so I'm not making like much profit just for you guys. But anyways, all right, let's get into the video. Yeah, the link for the merch is in the description. Also, if you want to sign up to be a driver and get a bonus, you can use the links in the description. All right, so now I'm gonna be talking to you guys about Uber quiet mode. Yes, this is completely legit. Uber offers quiet mode for riders who don't want to talk to their drivers. I'm gonna look at tech. These are like legit websites. I thought this was a prank. I was like, oh, am I getting pranked? Like, did Uber come out with this prank? You know how Tesla came out with like ticket avoidance mode as a prank on April Fool's? I was like, is it April 1st? But no, this is actually real, legit. So let's go through this article. I'm gonna just really quickly. Uber Black launches quiet driver mode. So yeah, it's just for Black. So for passengers who do request an Uber Black, which is like the luxury package. Sorry, my friend just texted me. She wants to call me for an interview or something. Okay, but yeah, sorry, Uber Black is like luxury, so like Tesla, I don't know. I'm sorry, I'm blanking right now. What else qualifies for Uber Black? Like Mercedes, BMW, Lincoln, Navigator, Acura, Acura? What's the one that the Rideshare hacker has? I think he has the Acura. Yeah, he has an Acura. Buick? No, I'm not sure. It's basically luxury cars, qualifies for Uber Black. But yeah, so this is, and now passengers doing Uber Black can now request for the driver to be silent, to not talk to them. Isn't that hilarious, guys? So I don't know why, but I think this is like so funny that this is actually a thing now. So yeah, as you can see, let's go through it really quickly. Tired of chatty drivers? Uber is finally giving users its most requested feature, an in-app way to ask for minimal conversation during your ride. The quiet mode feature is free and will be available. Oh, it's free? Oh my gosh, dang it. So I don't get to make extra money when my driver asks me to be silent? Dang it. Okay. It's free and will be available to everyone in the US tomorrow, but only on Uber Black and Uber Black SUV premium rides. Users can select quiet preferred, happy to chat, or leave the setting at no preference. And that way, you know, the driver has to guess. So now the driver needs to actually play the guessing game. Whenever they get in, oh, does he want to chat or not? Does she want to chat? Happy to chat or quiet preferred? That is actually hilarious. Oh yeah, look at this. Rideshare driver Dustin. Oh, he was texting me. The desire for silence might convince more riders to pay for Uber's more expensive vehicles. Oh, it's an incentive. So basically it's an incentive for people to do black now that they can choose. Now that if you do black, you can choose for your drivers to be silent. That's hilarious. So basically if a passenger's in a bad mood and they don't want to talk, they're gonna order black so their driver doesn't talk. Yeah. Quiet mode comes as part of a new slate of rider preferences. Let's see what this links to. I always like to do the in links. Oh, this is actually on Uber's website, Uber Newsroom. Perfect. Over the years, Uber has expanded mobility by delivering new modes of transportation, blah, 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 blah. Quiet mode, here we go. If you need to respond to emails or are in the mood for a nap, make your trip a quieter one with just one tap. Guys, what is Uber playing games here? Are we offering a sleeping service? Are riders allowed to sleep in our car? Is that a thing? Help with luggage. Let your driver know an extra pair of hands is needed for your luggage. Temperature control. Extended pickup periods. Riders will now have a little extra time. Oh yeah, so consistent vehicle quality, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so this is actually pretty interesting. So now riders now black drivers are supposed to wait 15 minutes after arriving. I'm not waiting 15 minutes for my passenger. Is that a joke? Like, I could do an entire new ride in 15 minutes. Why would I show up and wait 15 minutes? It says they'll start to be charged and they'll be compensated after 5. Plus, they technically can cancel whenever they want. This is hilarious. Uber, if you're watching this video, good job. This is gonna make some good media attention. This is actually an interesting, right after their IPO, they're like, oh, we just hit our IPO, you know, we just made $60 billion. What should we invest our money in? Quiet mode. Quiet mode, quiet ride mode. Just getting closer and closer to driverless cars. First it's a non-talking driver, then it's a maybe passengers won't even notice if there's a driver now because they just expect it to be silent anyway. That's funny. I think quiet mode is going to be a hit, perhaps because I requested that Uber build a quiet mode in my December product wish list. So this guy actually said, wow, this guy actually did say quiet mode. Yep, that's funny. Need more time button. Pretty interesting stuff. Sorry, I'm just working on my merch site. So you guys, $14, I was not lying. Plus tax, of course. 14 bucks. Business Insider. Okay, you guys know I love Business Insider. Uber riders can now ask their drivers to be quiet directly from the app, but you'll pay extra for that convenience. No, you won't. They just said, oh, well, maybe on Uber Black. Oh, that guy's a Lincoln, so Lincoln also qualifies. This guy's a homie. Look at this dude. He's a baller, shot caller. He's like, yes, I will not talk to my passengers anymore. Uber's rolling out a new quiet mode, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I mean, I think you guys get the point. I think it's just kind of hilarious that this is actually a thing now. It'll be curious to see if this, if passengers actually use this. I feel like that would just be so wrong if I'm taking a ride and I click quiet mode. Like, oh, it's almost like I'm too good for you, don't talk to me. Like, it's not like I'm like talking that much to my driver anyway. Like, now they can't even say hello to me. What if I click quiet mode and then the driver talks to me? Can I report that driver? Be like, oh, he wasn't quiet and get a free ride? This is some tricky waters that Uber's treading. Wow, that was an interesting way to put it. But yeah, guys, so I guess this is an incentive. Basically, it's an incentive for passengers to take Uber Black more if they want this service. So anyways, let me know what you guys think of this. I'm just gonna upload this video. I know it's pretty late, but I just wanted to like react. I was like, what the heck, I have to make a video on this. So sorry if this is like in the middle of the night for you, if you're watching this. Hope maybe you'll watch this in the morning, or the next day. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know your comments on this. What would you do if a passenger clicks quiet mode on when they request a ride from you? Or if you're a passenger, if you know, would you do quiet mode? What do you think of this? All right, guys. Again, if you're interested in signing up to be a driver for Uber or Lyft, use my link in the description for a bonus. Check out the merch store. Everything's on sale. Some stuff's like 50% off, 20% off. So yeah, get the deals while they last. Anyways, guys, you guys are the best. This is the #1 channel for Uber and Lyft drivers, hands down. Sorry, Rideshare Guy, Rideshare Professor, Dustin is driving. Those guys are good, but not as good as the Rideshare Hub. No, I'm just kidding. Those guys are great too. All right, guys, you guys are awesome. I will talk to you all soon. Later. Peace.